Hello, and welcome to the introduction for the ATGAIN M120 and ATGAIN M240 mixer amplifiers. The ATGAIN M120 and M240 are mixer amplifiers designed for low or high impedance education and commercial applications. The GAIN M120 can deliver two channels of 60 watts each into 4 or 8 ohms, or a single channel of 120 watts at 70 or 100 volts. The GAIN M240 can deliver two channels of 120 watts each into 4 or 8 ohms, or a single channel of 240 watts at 70 or 100 volts. They offer 4 analog inputs that may be configured for mono or stereo, as well as mic or line levels. Onboard signal processing supports gain and ducking adjustments for each input, as well as delay, high and low pass filters, equalization, and attenuation for each output. It also supports separate mixes for the amplifier and line outputs. Optional components include the ATGAIN vol, volume control wall plate, and the ATGAIN net, networked audio card, more analog inputs as well as mic and line levels, and has advanced signal processing and mixing capabilities. They are highly configurable mixer amplifier for either low or high impedance applications. Here is an overview of the features for the GAIN M120. 4 analog inputs may be configured for mono or stereo, as well as mic or line levels. Onboard signal processing supports gain and ducking adjustments for each input, as well as delay, high and low pass filters, equalization, and attenuation for each output. Supports separate mixes for the amplifier and line outputs. Selectable low or high impedance operation, 2 by 60 watts at 4 or 8 ohms, 1 by 120 watts at 70 or 100 volts. Ducking lowers the level of program audio sources when signal is detected on the selected input. Balanced line level output allows the mixed signal to be passed to an assistive listening system or separate amplifier. Contact closure to engage mute or standby mode from an external system. LAN and RS-232 interfaces for configuration as well as control from velocity or third-party automation systems. Integrated power supply, no external converter required. Optional ATGAIN vol volume control wall plate. Optional ATGAIN net, networked audio card. Here is an overview of the features for the GAIN M240. You will notice that this shares many of the same features as the GAIN M120. It also is housed in the same enclosure. The major difference is in amplification power. The GAIN M240 ups it to 2 by 120 watts at 4 or 8 ohms, or a single channel of 240 watts into 70 or 100 volts. Here is an overview of the mixer screen for the new GAIN amplifiers. The input section shows how to configure the inputs including stereo or mono modes, as well as balanced, unbalanced, or microphone level. The output section allows setting gain levels for both the amplifier and line outputs. The mixer section allows users to customize how much of the level from each input is routed to each output. Here is an overview of the equalization screen for the new GAIN amplifiers. It features a number of signal processing features that can be applied to each output channel. This includes delay, high-pass filter, low-pass filter, attenuation, and 5-band EQ. Here is an overview of the ducking screen for the new GAIN amplifiers. Here, you can specify which input will take priority and lower the level of other sources. The optional ATGAIN vol is a volume control wall plate for use with the GAIN M120, GAIN M240, and other ATLONA amplifiers. It provides easy-to-use manual audio level control for the amplifier when a control system is not in use. The volume control range is from no audio, mute, to maximum output level. It features a 3-pin captive screw connection for interfacing with the amplifier. The GAIN vol is designed to mount in a US 1-gang enclosure for wall plate openings and includes interchangeable black or white trim kits. The optional ATGAIN net is a networked audio interface card for the ATGAIN M120 and ATGAIN M240 amplifiers. Through its network interface, it accepts 2 audio channels of Dante or AES-67. It is also compatible with AES-67 streams from Atlona OmniStream AV encoders. Simple, plug-and-play field installation. The M series allows for API control of Dante routes, so the customer does not have to use the Dante controller software. For classroom applications, distribute lesson audio to low-impedance speakers in the room, lower program audio when a teacher speaks into their microphone, mute audio for PA announcements. In meeting rooms, gain amplifiers can receive audio from an AV switcher or DSP, and then feed the audio to a high-impedance distributed speaker network in the room. In this application, the ATGAIN M120 combines audio from the Omega MS42 switcher, lectern microphone, and wireless microphone, and delivers up to 120 watts to the distributed audio speakers in the ceiling. In this larger room application, the ATGAIN M240 combines audio from the OME PS62 switcher, lectern microphone, and wireless microphone, and delivers up to 240 watts to the distributed audio speakers in the ceiling. For more information on the ATGAIN 120 and 240, head over to atlona.com.